Hello. So for the second part of 2.1, the total cost of a computer, including the 6.5% sales tax, is $1,063.94. How much of the total cost is sales tax, and what is the cost of the computer? So to find the tax, if we take our total price now, if X is the cost of the computer, if we take the 0.065 times the cost of the computer, this would tell us the tax. And then we would add this to the computer price to get the total. So we have the computer price plus the tax, because this gives us our tax. The computer's cost times the tax plus the computer price gives us total. So we can add these together first. When we add them, because this is a 1, you get 1.065x. We're solving for x. To get it by itself, we divide by the decimal, 1.065. And if we divide those, we get $999. That would be the cost of the computer. And then to find the tax, we would take what we paid for it and subtract the $999. And we get $64.94. So almost $65 in tax. We'll try another one like that. Here's one. This one's a little bit easier though. You'll see as we read it. Jim's boss said he needed to take a 30% pay cut, so he will lose $60,000 from his yearly pay. How much was he making per year before the pay cut? So if he lost $60,000, and that's 30% of his pay, if we take 30% of his pay, that equals the $60,000. So instead of it giving us the total, it's only giving us the percent. And so we didn't need to add the P. We just had to take the percent of it. Getting P by itself, again, we divide by the 0.3. And when we divide, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 200,000. So he was making $200,000 before his pay cut. Let's try one more up here. The number of get-goes in the country from 1990 to 210 is given by the equation y equals a negative 311.1x plus 15,000. where X is the number after 1990. In what year will there be 10,333 get-goes in the US? So you always want to think about what that value means. This is the number of get-goes, and that was our value, X years. And so we have to plug this in for the Y value. So each time you're doing these, decide which place you should plug it in first, and then we'll solve. So to solve, the first thing we need to do is getting this term by itself. We'll subtract the 15,000. And you get 4,667 equals, and it's a negative 311.1x. We're still trying to get x by itself, so we need to divide by that 311, and it's a negative. And when we do that, we get 15. And we want to know in what year. Go back now, look at X. X is the number of years after 1990. So we take 1990 and we add the 15, and we get 2005. So in the year 2005, there will be 10,333 get-goes. And that's everything for 2.1. Thank you.